Hello friends, I am Mr. R N Nikam and you are watching my YouTube channel Ramdas Nikam. This is educational tutorial or video. We have already finished the story in few parts. We have gone through the icebreakers story. I have explained it in English and in Marathi as well. If you like channel, then subscribe it. Now let's solve brainstorming activities. Brainstorming activity A1. Sub activity 1. Given below are some descriptions. Discuss them with your partner and find out some word. One word for each of them. An example is given for you. म्हणजेच खाली काही वर्णन दिलेलं आहे. तुम्हाला तुमच्या सहकार्यांशी चर्चा करून त्या वर्णनाकरिता एक शब्द शोधायचा आहे. एक उदाहरण या ठिकाणी दिलेलं आहे. ए. द सायंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ द युनिवर्स अँड द ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन इट including stars, planet, nebulae and galaxies. The one word for this description is astronomy. B. The study of the movements of the planets, sun, moon and stars in the belief that these movements can have an influence on people's lives. The answer is astrology. C. A prediction of what will happen in the future. Prophecy. This is the answer. D. Scientific discipline that studies mental states and processes and behavior in humans and other animals. The answer is psychology. Now the answers are also given on the page. A. Astronomy. B. Astrology. C. Prophecy. D. Psychology. These are the answers. Sub-activity number 2. In this story, we are told that the town hall park was a remarkable place in many ways for an astrologer to build his business. Discuss it in a group and list the exceptional qualities of the place. म्हणजे ज्योतिषाच्या व्यवसायाबाबत टाउन हॉल जागेच्या खास वैशिष्ट्यांची यादी तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी बनवायला सांगितली आहे. एक्सेप्शनल क्वालिटीज ऑफ द टाउन हॉल पार्क. नंबर 1. अ सर्जिंग क्राऊड. नंबर 2. फ्लेअर पाहिजे तिथे. फ्लेअर फ्रॉम दी ग्राउंड नट व्हेंडर. नंबर 3. म्युनिसिपल लाइटिंग. नंबर 4. हिसिंग गॅस लाईट. नंबर 5. लाईट फ्रॉम नेकेड फ्लेअर्स पाहिजे. फ्लेअर झाले. अँड सायकल लॅम्प्स. नंबर 6. बिल्डिंग क्रिस क्रॉस ऑफ लाईट रेज अँड मुव्हिंग शॅडोज. Activity number 3. The astrologer never opened his mouth still the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes. Discuss the reason behind his act. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी जो ज्योतिषी होता समोरच्या क्लायंटच्या तोंडून 10 मिनिट ऐकल्याशिवाय काही बोलायचा नाही. मग यामागची काय कारणं असावीत त्याचं उत्तर आपल्याला ठिकाणी बघायचं आहे. तर बघूया त्याचं उत्तर. सॅम्पल इज गिवन. ही इज गुड ॲट रीडिंग द पीपल. दिस सॅम्पल इज गिवन. Behind his act. A. He is good at reading the people. B. He had a working analysis of mankind's troubles. C. He tried to get information about clients' life and their work and problems. Getचं स्पेलिंग चुकलं आहे. D. He used to say the things which pleased can astonish the clients. Now question number A2. Number 1. The tactics used by the astrologer to earn his wages. म्हणजे पैसे मिळविण्याकरिता कोणत्या युक्तीचा शी अवलंब करायचा. द टॅक्टिक्स. 1 सॅम्पल इज गिवन. ॲनालिसिस ऑफ ह्युमन ट्रबल्स. लेट्स फाइंड आउट अदर आन्सर्स ऑर टॅक्टिक्स युज्ड बाय द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर टू अर्न हिज. नंबर 1. ॲनालिसिस ऑफ ह्युमन ट्रबल्स पाहिजे तिथे ट्रॅव्हल झालं आहे. नंबर 2. परसेप्शन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ हिज क्लायंट्स. नंबर 3. सुटेबल स्टेटमेंट्स दॅट प्लीज अँड ॲस्टोनिश्ड हिज क्लायंट्स. 4. आस्किंग जनरल क्वेश्चन्स बाय श्रूड गेसवर्क. दीज आर द टॅक्टिक्स. An astrologer's appearance helps to create an impression on his clients. म्हणजे ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरचं त्या ठिकाणी जो पेहरा होता तो त्याच्या ग्राहकांवरती प्रभाव टाकायचा. कंप्लीट दी फॉलोइंग. तर 1 सॅम्पल इज गिवन. द टर्बन ऑन हिज हेड. B. Sacred ash and vermilion on his forehead. C. Sparkle in his eyes with a sharp abnormal gleam. Dark whiskers streaming down the cheeks. This is the answer. Sub-activity number 3. Read the following sentences and choose the correct one. A. The astrologer says that if Naik does not leave his village again, he would. A. Return the money to face danger. Number 3. Go back home and stop looking for the man who tried to kill him. Number 4. Not find the killer. The answer is 2. Face danger. Now B. According to the narrator, the astrologer's success in his profession is primarily due to number 1. Luck. Number 2. The bargains he drives. Number 3. His appearance. Number 4. His understanding of people. The correct answer is his understanding of people. This is the answer of the B activity. C. The story suggests that the astrologer's comments and observations please people by number 1. Promising them success and good fortune. Number 2. Proving as time passes to have been true. Number 3. Flattering them to or supporting their own views. Number 4. Helping them to learn to solve their own problems. So the correct answer is faltering them or supporting their own views. This is the third correct answer. Guru Naik consults the astrologer because he wants to number 1. Understand the past. Number 2. Find out who the astrologer is. Number 3. Make some money through a bet. Number 4. Get the answer to a specific question. The correct answer is 4. Get the answer to a specific question. E. Guru Naik is looking for the man who tried to kill him. 1. To take revenge. 2. To get an apology. 3. To demand an explanation. 4. To prove that the man was unsuccessful. The correct answer is to take revenge. And yep, the astrologer's remark makes Guru Naik feel all of the following except 1. Relieved. 2. Suspicious. Number 3. Impressed. Disappointed. Answer is 2. Suspicious. G. Reactions of the astrologer's wife to his news suggests that C. Number 1. Was unaware of his past. Number 2. Has been worried about his safety. Number 3. Has known him since he was young. 4. His concern about her future with him. The correct answer is 1. Was unaware of his past. I have given the correct answers. Face danger, his understanding of people and all the rest. You can see. Activity 4. Read the following sentences and find out the true and false sentences. Correct the false sentences. म्हणजे सत्य असत्य शोधायचे आहेत आणि असत्य दुरुस्त करायचे आहे. A, B and D are the correct sentences and C and E are the false statements. I have given the answers here. You can read. The corrected are: the astrologer did the bargain with the client and talked about the client's past. E. The moral of the story is that we should not believe in the superstitions. These are the two corrected sentences. Activity 5. The astrologer has changed his appearance and his persona when he arrived in the city. Give us specific reasons. म्हणजे जेव्हा ज्योतिषी शहरामध्ये आला तेव्हा त्याने त्याचा पेहराव बदलला. तर या मागची कारणे आपल्याला द्यायचे, तर त्याचं उत्तर आपण बघूया पुढे. The astrologer thought that he had killed a man after a quarrel. He was afraid that he would be arrested and put into a jail for his crime. So to avoid detection, he changed his appearance and his persona when he arrived in the new city. This is the answer. Activity number 6. The darkness load that was inside the astrologer has disappeared. Through the sentence, explain the significance of the title and astrologer's day. आता असा की ज्योतिषाच्या मनावर असलेलं जे काही अंधकार असं दडपण किंवा ओझं होतं ते नाहीसं झालं. या वाक्यातून या पाठाच्या शीर्षकाचं महत्त्व पटवून द्या असं या ठिकाणी आपल्याला विचारलं आहे. दिस इज दी आन्सर ऑफ दिस ॲक्टिव्हिटी. द ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर थॉट दॅट ही हॅड किल्ड अ मॅन आफ्टर अ क्वारल. दॅट्स वाय ही हॅड रन अवे फ्रॉम हिज होम अँड विलेज अँड चेंज्ड the appearance and his persona when he arrived in a new city and became an astrologer. However, he always felt guilty for what he had done in the past. When he came to know that the man he thought he had killed was actually alive, that dark load inside him disappeared and he felt happy. This is the significance of the title, An Astrologer's Day. Sub-activity number 7. The astrologer feels relieved that Guru is not dead as it relieves a great burden from him. Critically justify the statement and explain it. म्हणजे गुरु मेला नाही याबद्दल सुटकेचा उसासा सोडतो, तर त्याचं उत्तर बघूया. Astrologer thought that he had killed Guru Naik after a quarrel, so he ran away from his village and changed his appearance and became an astrologer. But when he came to know that the man he thought he had killed was actually alive, he felt relieved. 8. The astrologer wins or gets the sympathy of criticism of the reader in the end. Express your opinion with the support of the स्टोरी. याचा अर्थ असा की गोष्टीच्या शेवटी जो ज्योतिष आहे तो वाचकांची सहानुभूती किंवा टीका मिळवतो. तर मूळ गोष्टीच्या आधारे तुमचं मत मांडा असं या ठिकाणी आपल्याला विचारलं, तर त्याचं उत्तर आपण बघूया. The answer: I sympathize with the astrologer. He didn't intentionally kill Guru Naik. It had happened accidentally. He should not have tried to run away, but should have accepted responsibility for his crime. His words: a great load is gone from me today. I thought I had the blood of man on my hands all these years indicates he is repenting or repentance. Number 9. If we have to eradicate the superstitions and other ill practices from our society, what steps would you like to suggest? जर आपल्याला आपल्या समाजातील अंधश्रद्धा आणि वाईट प्रथांचं निर्मूलन करायचं असेल तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला कोणती पावलं उचलावी लागतील त्याचं उत्तर या ठिकाणी विचारलं आहे. आन्सर इज टू इरेडिकेट सुपरस्टिशन्स अँड ऑल इल प्रॅक्टिसेस फ्रॉम आवर सोसायटी द फर्स्ट इम्पॉर्टंट स्टेप इज एज्युकेशन. स्कूल्स अँड कॉलेजेस मस्ट हेल्प देअर स्टुडंट्स develop scientific attitude and think logically and rationally correct. Volunteers must take superstition eradication drives, must successfully correct it. Number 10 from activity number 2. In the story, astrologer has a great listening power. Listening helps in developing good relations with people. Express your opinion. म्हणजे गोष्टीतील ज्योतिषाकडे लक्षपूर्वक ऐकण्याची प्रचंड क्षमता आपल्याला दिसते. लोकांशी चांगले संबंध जर विकसित करायचे असतील तर त्यासाठी लक्षपूर्वक ऐकलं पाहिजे. याविषयी तुमचं मत विचारले त्याचं उत्तर बघूया. आय थिंक लिसनिंग हेल्प इन डेव्हलपिंग गुड रिलेशन विथ पीपल. व्हेन वी लिसन वी इंडिकेट टू दी स्पीकर दॅट वी केअर अबाउट हिम अँड आर इंटरेस्टेड इन हिम अँड हिज प्रॉब्लेम्स. थ्रू दिस वी शो दॅट वी आर रेडी टू हेल्प हिम इफ नेसेसरी. दिस इज द आन्सर. Activity number 3A. In the story, the following characters reveal their qualities through words and actions. Pick out the words that describe them from the box and write in appropriate columns. म्हणजे ज्योतिषी, गुरु, नायक आणि ज्योतिषाची पत्नी यांचे वर्णन करणारे काही शब्द आहेत योग्य स्तंभात आपल्याला ठेवायचे आहेत. The answer. Astrologer. Shrewd, clever, smart, sharp, intuitive, mystical, cunning, mean, overconfident. 2. Guru Naik. Manipulative, gullible, quarrelsome, arrogant, aggressive, demanding, antagonistic, skeptical, impetuous. Astrologer's wife. Caring, suspicious, protective, worried, humanistic, rational. This is the correct answer we have given here. Activity 2. Match the suffixes with the words and make nouns. One is done for you. Action and म्हणजेच शब्द आणि सफिक्स यांची जोडी लावायची आणि त्यानंतर नाऊन बनवायला म्हणजे नाम बनवायला सांगितलेलं आहे. ते या ठिकाणी बनवून दाखवलेलं आहे. एबल नंतर ऑक्शनियर. दीज आर दी नाउन्स. ऑक्शनियर, एन्चांटमेंट, नॉलेज, प्रिपरेशन, प्रोसिजर, ॲपिरन्स, रिमार्केबल. दीज आर दी नाउन्स वी हॅव मेड फ्रॉम द मॅच. Activity number 3. An astrologer's day has ironic elements where the astrologer pretends to have supernatural knowledge that coincidentally turns out to be the truth. Irony means a situation or statement characterized by a significant difference between what is expected and what actually happens, or between what is understood and what is meant. Find out the examples of irony from the story and write them down. One has been done for you. कथेतील आयरनी अलंकाराची उदाहरणे विचारलेले ते एक सॅम्पल या ठिकाणी दिलेलं आहे. आयरनी म्हणजे उपहासात्मक जे वाक्य असतात किंवा ओळी असतात त्याबद्दल या ठिकाणी विचारलं आहे. Examples of irony. A. He knew no more of what was going to happen to others and he knew what was going to happen to himself the next minute. B. His eyes sparkled with sharp abnormal gleam which was really an outcome of a continuous searching look for customers but which his simple clients took to be a prophetic light. C. He has as much a stranger to the stars as were his innocent customers. D. He said things which pleased and astonished everyone. These are the examples. Number 3, subjectivity number 4. In the story, many Indian words are used. Cowrie cells. This is an example of code mixing. Find out other such words from the story and write them down. The answer is cowrie cells, chirut, jutka, pai, ana, payal. These are the examples of code mixing. Activity number 5. There are some phrases where the word crown is used with different shades of meaning. Use the following phrases to complete the sentences meaningfully. One is done for you. The words are crowning achievement, to crown the effect, crown of thorns, crowning glory, to crown it all. The sample example is to crown the effect. He wound a saffron colored turban around his head. Now the remaining answers. The works of Shakespeare are the crown of glory of English drama. B. Amitabh has given us awesome movies throughout 5 decades. But his dash dash means crowning achievement is his performance in the movie Black. C. In her pursuit of success, Radha has distanced herself from her family. Her fame has become a real crown of thorns. D. They threw a wonderful party for me with costumes, games, and dash dash means crown it all my favorite kind of ice cream. E. Medical science has great inventions, but organ transplantation is definitely crowning achievement for human beings. These are the answers. Crown of glory. B. Crowning achievement. C. Crown of thorns. D. Crown it all. E. Crowning achievement. Activity 4. Subactivity 1. Word use. Use the words given in the brackets and rewrite the sentences. A. कौसात काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत त्यांचा उपयोग करून पुन्हा आपल्याला वाक्य लिहायला सांगितलेले आहेत. ए. द पॉवर ऑफ हिज आईज वॉज कन्सिडरेबली enhancement. B. He had a working analysis of mankind's troubles. Worked. C. He knew what was going to happen to himself next minute. Happening is the word. D. If you find my answer satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? Satisfaction is the word. E. He shook his head. Regret is the word. Yep. It was a bewildering crisscross of light rays. Bewildered. G. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. In bracket, enthusiastically. H. You tried to kill him. In bracket, killing. I will prepare some nice stuff for her. Preparation. J. The other groaned on hearing it. And heard is the word given in bracket. By using these words, we have to make the sentences. Word use answers. A. There was considerable enchantment in the power of his eyes. B. He had worked out an analysis of mankind's troubles. C. He knew what could be happening to himself next minute. D. If my answer give you satisfaction, will you give me 5 rupees? E. He shook his head with regret. Now the remaining sentences in the next screenshot. Yep. It was bewildered by crisscross of light rays. G. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other enthusiastically. H. You tried killing him. I will make a preparation of some nice stuff for her. And the last one, J. The other groaned when he heard it. These are the correct sentences by using the proper words. I request you to solve activity number 5, 6 and 7 at home. Thank you for watching this beautiful vlog. Thanks again.